What's going on, Molly Universe, and welcome back to my channel. You already know how it go down in the universe. We just sit back and chillax with Molly. So I'm finally dropping a new video out for y'all, and this is a good one. This is going to be an unboxing video. I finally got something dope to show y'all that I'm gonna be unboxing and trying on for y'all. So as y'all can see by the title, I am going to be unboxing my Ewing's, if I'm pronouncing the last name correctly. Yo, the box looks so cool. Like, I'm gonna keep this box. I like it. So I was like, since I got these and I'm not gonna wear them until like next week, I might as well unbox it and show y'all how it looks and try it on for y'all, because I know y'all gonna have questions after I drop this video, and I am for sure gonna answer them. So if y'all have any questions, please let me know. But you already know what to do. Before we get started on this video, please like this video and please subscribe, because we are almost close to 1K. So please subscribe, share this video, and let's begin. Alright y'all, so y'all already know, before I show off what's inside, I gotta show y'all how the box looks. So this is the side, this is the back part of the box. This is the back, this is the side. As y'all can see, that's my shoe size. As y'all can see, it got the logo, which is dope. Again, this is the front side, and this is how it looks. Yo, this is so dope, I swear. Ain't nothing in the back, just this, as y'all can see. Alright, so now it's time to open what's inside. Yeah, I'm so excited. Alright, so opening the box. This is the shoe wrapper. This is the shoe wrapper. And these are the sneakers. Wow. Dope, huh? And it got the strap. These are called the Orion 33 Orion strap. Wow. As y'all can see, it got the number and the name in the back, which is dope. It got the tag thing, the sticker thing right here. Gotta pop that off. The shoelaces is white. It got the signature right here, which is say Patrick Ewing. It got the strap, which is dope. The number, the name. It all got the name inside too, see? Which is dope. Oh, it got the name at the bottom too, and it got the ball. Yo, this is dope. That's crazy. It got another one. So it's white, and I think it's like a red in some parts, and it's a green at the bottom, which is dope. The same as the other one. It got the same thing, the logo right here too, as y'all can see. It got the shoe size right here, again, the signature, the name, the number, red on the lace holes, and it got the, again, the name and the ball, which is dope. Yo, this is cool. I like doing unboxing because I just like it. It's fun to show off everything, even the little stuff. It's so dope. Wow. Alright, now it's time to try it on. Alright y'all, so I've loosened the laces and I gotta take the strap off, because I guess that's how you supposed to put it on, so you can fit the your feet inside the shoe better. And I checked to make sure it wasn't like no paper stuff inside the shoe, or you know those little things that have like, that you think is like salt that you're not supposed to eat. So I checked to make sure nothing was in there. Also, there ain't nothing. Alright, so now I'm about to try it on for y'all. Alright, so I'm about to try it on y'all. It's comfortable. And put the strap on so y'all can see I got the strap right here. So I gotta tie after I tie my laces. Oh, this height. Oh wait, I don't got it. So yeah, y'all, I'm tying my shoe with my laces first before I tie the strap on. Alright, y'all, so I was like, why does the laces look like that? Because there was another hole right here. It was two right here. That's why the laces was looking like that. Like, one of them was looking loosened. But, okay, I'm about to be done with tying. I just gotta do the bunny ears and tuck that in. Alright, now it's time to put the strap on. Oh, wait. How you do it? Wait, that's not how you... Wait, no, that's not how you do it. I think this is how you do it. Oh, yeah. I was right. So, as y'all can see, this is how it looks. The shoe fits comfortable. Yeah, it's nice. But you know how they say you gotta get a bigger size. The bigger the size, the more comfortable your shoe is. But it fits comfortable, so I don't got no problems. Show y'all how the size looks. This is the bottom part. Yo, I like this. This is dope. This nice. Signature. Got the strap. I'll show it again. Strap. It got the logo right here. As y'all can see. The laces. The lace holes are red. Yeah, this is cool. Now I'm about to put the other shoe in. Alright, y'all. So I had this inside my other shoe. I had to take that out before I put my feet inside. Alright, I got both shoes on. I got the tag. Well, I gotta rip that off as soon as I wear them next week. But yeah, this shoe fits comfortable as well. As y'all can see. Yeah, I like these shoes. If you plan on getting these shoes, then it's a must. Especially if you like a dope, like a 90s person, then I suggest you get these. So you can see, you got the logo and the logo from both shoes in the back, which is dope. Again, this is the bottom part. Yeah, these are a must go get. I really like these shoes. So, yep, this is it, y'all. Well, this is it, y'all. Thanks for watching. I hope y'all enjoyed this little quick unboxing video I did for y'all. But y'all plan on getting these sneakers, then go ahead, feel free, because these are some dope sneakers. And if you have any questions, then let me know in the comments below, and I'll answer them ASAP for y'all. This is it. Thanks for watching. Hope y'all enjoyed the video. Please like this video, subscribe, comment below if y'all have any questions, or just throw a comment. It could be anything. If you're a gamer, please check out my gaming channel. Follow me on all of my social medias down below. That would be amazing. Subscribe. We're on the road to 1K, so please subscribe, but only if you're loyal and permanent. Alright, y'all, this is it. I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Love yourself, be yourself, and take care. Alright, I love y'all. Cue the music.